Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the ROG Phone 3 versus the Mi11X device. And this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison, friends, regarding the speed test and the RAM management test. Let's see how well this gaming phone gonna perform against this Snapdragon 870 chipset. I do know there's a huge price range between these both phones. You can get this phone about 20,000 and this phone is about close to 32,000. That's the price after the discount applied. But let's see how well this Snapdragon 865 is capable enough to open these games faster or not. And during this time I did include the big games as well, which is Asphalt 9 game, Battlegrounds mobile game, and the Call of Duty game, and 5 games and 5 applications. So which should be kind of very simple. So that's what I'm going to exactly compare between these both phones. And both phones are exactly 8GB RAM variant and nothing running in the background. I should clean everything before actually starting the test. As you can see, no apps are running in the completely background, so that's one thing you should know. Next thing is regarding the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi connection as well, both phones are completely connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's also fantastic, not an issue at all. And let's get started, friends. And I'm really very much interested, friends. As I said, I'm really interested for this gaming phone. So this is my first gaming phone overall. So that's the reason why I'm really excited about the gaming phones usually. So whenever this first one, I'll definitely get a lot of excitement. That's the reason with the Moto H20 as well. Let's get started with the first application, which is a Google Chrome 1, 2, and 3. So first in the ROG phone, just a little bit, not a huge difference. Amazon first got loaded in the Mi11X device. I think this is my first time opening the Amazon application. Sorry for that. So skip sign in. I need to close and reopen again. So sorry. 1, 2, 3. So not bad. So both phones are completely kind of close to each other. Let's open the Great Indian Sale and let's open some phone. Random phone I'm trying to just open and keep it in the background RAM management. And next is a Flipkart. Flipkart also not bad in terms of opening speeds. And let's open, not this, I don't want to watch the live. So where is that offers? Maybe some random phone I'll try to keep in the background RAM management. Next is a touch sampling rate application. Touch sampling rate, I just want to keep these lines in the background. So just to check whether which phone will be able to keep these lines in the background RAM management. So every time I'll try to use this application, especially because, so I need to know how good the RAM management is actually performing. So both phones, not an issue. So I'll try to keep some games in the background. So this game I did keep here and this game I'm trying to keep here in the background RAM management. So till now, all the 5 applications are completely open in both phones, as you can see. All the 5 apps, no issues at all. And now let's start with the game. So this is where the real fun begins and I cannot wait. So let's start with the first game, Asphalt 9, 1, 2, and 3. At same time I did click. You can see the logo, instant it did open. And I'm not using any kind of game turbo, no game gene or no game enhancement boosters. Without any game enhancement boosters, I'm trying to open. That is the reason you cannot see any kind of indication saying boosting. First phone to open is ROG Phone 3. You can see the time difference. There's a lot of seconds difference is there. Not milliseconds, but a lot of difference. Not bad. So this is the power of the gaming phone. Now let's see the Battlegrounds mobile game. The fun begins right now. And first phone to show the logo in the ROG Phone 3. So instant reaction is there in this phone. That's the one thing which I did notice. And it's loading pretty fast, not bad. So both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi network, same Wi-Fi, and the login page first displayed in the ROG Phone 3, then in the Mi11X device. Very little bit difference, not a huge difference, but just very few seconds, milliseconds, just kind of negligible difference. Next is a Call of Duty 1, 2, 3. Let's see, friends, the Call of Duty game, and definitely I'll try to do the speed test with other phones as well. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below what phones you want me to prioritize in terms of the speed test. So these are the comments which I got more on the Mi11X today. That's the reason I'm trying to do on the Mi11X. And next I'll try to do on the Realme X1 Max and Realme GT and OnePlus Nord 2. There's so much fun going to be happening in my channel. And first phone to open is the ROG Phone 3. Even this game. So all the games are completely opening faster in the ROG Phone 3. So let's see this Temple Run. Small games, it should not be that kind of much issue at this moment, obviously. And both phones are loading at same pace, not a different sign. Next is final games, Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf, what happens now. And Subway Surf first phone to open is the Mi11X device. So Mi11X device did open the Subway Surf little bit faster, just a little bit, not bad. So overall, so So I can definitely say the price range is quite huge. So between these both phones, only if you want dedicated gaming, only then you can actually prefer. Otherwise, this is also really great for this kind of price. So right now it's time to check the real fun, which is about the RAM management. That's a kind of very tricky to have because only few phones will be able to keep this many games and applications in the background. It's not possible with all the UIs. So you should definitely understand. So now let's start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf, and next is a Temple Run. Not bad. Both phones instant reaction is there between the both phones. Yes, and let's go to the home page. So you can see 1 millisecond, it's like instant in the ROG Phone 3, just a millisecond. If you try to watch in the slow motion, you'll definitely understand. Now let's check the Asphalt 9. So Asphalt 9 game got closed in the background RAM management in the ROG Phone 3. In the MLNX device, the game is there still in the background RAM management. You can see the difference, RAM management, because some phones, they perform different in the different RAM management. So that's the thing you should definitely understand in terms of the RAM management thing. So the game got closed. So next is to check about the, let me try to go back, Play Store. Let's open from the multitasking and is the Play Store, and 1, 2 and 3, no problem. So both phones did open exactly same, not an issue. And next is regarding the touch sampling rate application. So this is a touch sampling rate. Let's see this application, what happens, whether this lines remains or not. As I said, only few phones will be able to do it successfully. 1, 2 and 3, boom. The MLNX did keep in the RAM management. So RAM management is slightly kind of better in the MLNX device at this moment. So RAM management need to be slightly optimized a little bit more, but still I'm not getting that kind of RAM management. I do know like no one will be using this many games and applications in the background, but still as a future proof option just in case. That's the reason I thought of mentioning here. Next is a Flipkart application. So it should be opening with the phone. So instant reaction is there in the MLNX device, as you can clearly see. Next is Amazon application, exactly same page, and ROG Phone 3 did went to the home screen, as you can see clearly what is going on. And next is with the Google Chrome is a final one. So Google Chrome is the one. So both phones did open exactly same, no issues. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones. In the speed test, the ROG Phone 3 clearly wins very much, and in the RAM management test, the MLNX phone was able to win the RAM management test in terms of maintaining 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, as you can see, 10, like everything, like all the 5 applications and all the 5 games, even with the big games also, it was able to keep in the background RAM management. But this for the short amount of time only. Maybe if you try to keep this both phones side for sometimes 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll be able to understand. But I'll try to do the video later on. But in terms of the RAM management, you can see what is going on in the ROG Phone 3. Now let's check again what is happening. Temple Run game got closed, and Subway Surf also game got closed. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see in the next video until straight for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And this test doesn't mean a lot, because this RAM management is a very rare case where you will be using this much heavy applications and games in the background. Next video I'll try to come up with the applications, so then we'll be able to understand slightly better. And this is happened only after the recent update in the MLNX device. Before, the phone used to perform same way, but after the MIUI 12.5 enhanced update, there's a difference, enhanced update, that made this RAM management really powerful in this phone, in the MLNX device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see in the next video until straight for more updates. In case if you want to buy the MLNX device, use my links in the description to buy it. And meanwhile, signing off. Bye.